This video will show you how to install the toilet tank on most Kohler two-piece toilets. Your toilet and in-tank components may appear different than the ones shown in this video. The instructions still apply. For this installation segment, you will need an adjustable wrench. Verify the bolts are pressed all the way into the tank gasket. Orient the tank so the bolts line up with the holes in the toilet bowl. Lower the toilet tank onto the toilet bowl. Slide the washers onto the bolts and loosely thread on the nuts. Alternately hand tighten each of the hex nuts onto each of the bolts. Using an adjustable wrench, finish tightening the nuts until the gasket is compressed between the tank and the bowl. Do not over-tighten. Ensure that the toilet tank is level, front to back and side to side. If the tank is not level and leaning left or right, loosen or tighten one of the two front nuts. If the tank is not level and leaning forward or backward, loosen or tighten the back nut. Connect the supply line. Do not over-tighten. Clip the refill hose onto the flush valve. The valve float needs to have room to freely move up and down. Adjust the position of the fill valve as needed. Turn on the water supply and allow the toilet tank to fill. Flush the toilet several times and verify there are no leaks between the tank and the bowl. Install the tank lid. Check the supply line for leakage.